Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop iPhone from charging past 80. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To optimize the longevity of your iPhone's battery and mitigate the effects of continuous full charges, consider enabling the optimized battery charging feature. To do so, commence by opening the Settings app on your device. Within the settings, navigate to the Battery section and further access the Battery Health option. And once you get there, you'll find the Optimized Battery Charging toggle, which you should switch on. This sophisticated feature is designed to curtail battery aging by strategically managing charging patterns by keeping your device's battery level around 80%. Until necessary, it reduces the stress associated with prolonged periods of full charging. This intelligent charging strategy aims to enhance overall battery health and prolong its lifespan, ensuring that your iPhone maintains optimal performance over an extended period of time. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.